Ex-student of Navodaya. Ex-student of Navodaya. He is a student of Delhi Hoshiarabad. Delhi Hoshiarabad in Jalgaon district of Maharashtra. Yes. His name is Mr. Jagadish Shukla Deshmukh. Mr. Jagadish Shukla Deshmukh. A Navodaya in 93 admission bank, Jawaharlal Navoday Vidyalaya, Hoshiarabad, Jalgaon district of Maharashtra. He got first rank in the year 98 in class 10 in JNU Hoshiarabad. He got second rank in class 12 in science stream in the Nashik district board. Second rank. Yes, listen. Second rank in the class 12th standard in Nashik division board of Maharashtra. He completed, all of you listen, he completed BTech in Mechanical Engineering from VJTI College, Mumbai, year 2004. He worked 8 years as a lecturer in engineering colleges of Mumbai and Pune University. For the last 10 years, he is a full devotee. He devoted to ISKCON. ISKCON means International Society for Krishna Consciousness. International Society for Krishna Consciousness. For spreading spiritual knowledge and guiding the students of schools and colleges in life values and skills all over the country. His interest is to develop, to bring a kind of awareness among all of you in values and skills. Till now, he covered 66 days of 7 states. Of 3 regions: Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. And 3 union territories also he visited last year. Almost he covered 1,000 schools. He covered 1,000 schools and colleges, spreading life values and skills program for the last 10 years. So you are very lucky to have a person like him. Let us welcome him with a big round of applause once again. Nowadays, spiritual values are decreasing. Spiritual values are decreasing. For small things, fighting is happening. Today I have seen in class the 6th student, some 2 students are fighting. For small reasons, nothing else. For simple reasons, they are fighting. Class and in the sports side also. Okay? So my dear children, without spiritual values, you cannot progress in life. So without taking much time, I would like to hand over the mic to Sir to address all of you, to guide all of you. He is a great motivational speaker also. So definitely before the examination, his ideas will definitely help you to do better. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming me at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Ongul, Prakasham. Please be quiet, because unless you pay attention, I won't be inspired to speak. Unless the audience is there to listen, speaker is not inspired. I have come from long distance to see you and then also serve you in small way, whatever possible. Because I consider all Navodayans as my own family. I consider you all as my own people. So I have come to see you and serve you by sharing some good knowledge for your life.
See, we are not paying any amount of money for this lecture. He came here on his own. He is visiting all the Vidyalayas to help his brother Navodayans, because he is a Navodayan.
As a service.
He considered that you are also Navodayan children, so that's why he wanted to help his own brothers and sisters in the Navodayan system. It is free of service, completely as a service model. Okay? Listen to me carefully. If you want, you can use mic. Otherwise, you can use your voice from here, moving here. So it is no problem. Huh? It's up to you.
Mic is important.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. So please be attentive to listen. I will speak slow so that you get my voice. Last voice, can you listen me? Audible? My sound audible? Girls this side? Audible? Okay. So we have some time to discuss about our life. Why life? See, in school, colleges, we study about physics, we study about chemistry, mathematics, languages we study, social science we study. So also, we need to study our life. Why? Life is the most valuable, most precious and important, isn't it? Isn't it? Life is the most valuable. You have all the wealth, you have all the power, you have all the fame, but if you don't have your life, what is the use of that? Name, fame, wealth, no use. If you don't have life, and life is for not all time, life is for short time. We don't know how much time we have. It's a fact of life. It's a truth of life that we don't know how much time we have in our life. Isn't it? Does anyone know how much is our life? How much time we have in life? Does anyone know in the world? Nobody knows. No scientist can say, I will live for this much time. No one can say anything about life, that how long we will survive. Nobody knows. Because human life, or any life in the world, is uncertain. Is uncertain. We don't know. Yes, we are born, before we are born some time back, some time ago, but we don't know how long this life is. Assured, we don't know. Anyway, but life is important, life is very precious. Whatever time we have is great, is a great opportunity to make our life successful, enlightened, and satisfying, fulfilling. So when I was studying in Navodaya school, I had a questioning in my mind. What was the question? What will make my life fulfilling? What will make my life fulfilling, satisfying? Just academic marks? Just position in the examination? Just a job? No. Because simply money, simply job, simply academic performance cannot make our life satisfying. We need something higher. We need a job, we need to earn money, no doubt. But simply money, simply job, simply any academic performance cannot make our life satisfying, fulfilled without the life science, without the self-knowledge, without the self-knowledge. So I was questioning what will make my life satisfying, fulfilling. So I was studying the books, syllabus books, library books I was studying. And in Navodaya, I got some idea, some guideline that come to learn. What is the guideline in Navodaya Samiti, Navodaya schools? Come to learn. You must have seen somewhere on the gate, school building written, come to learn. That our purpose of schooling, coming to school, should be learning. Come to learn. And why learning? Not just for earning paper money. Along with that money, you must be doing service. That's why Samiti says, Navodaya Samiti says, after learning, go for serving. Come to learn and then go to serve. Because without doing some good service for the society, others, our life cannot have satisfaction. Because money is ultimately paper. Your mark sheet, your certificate is a paper. Your property also is a paper. Ultimately, property paper. This paper, that paper. So, these papers cannot give you heart satisfaction. That's why Samiti knows that after learning, our mood, our attitude should be to serve. Definitely. That's why job also is known as service in language, in English language. जॉब को भी क्या बोलते हैं? सर्विस ही बोलते हैं, क्योंकि बिना सेवा किए अपना जीवन महान बनने वाला नहीं है। सेवा से ही जीवन महान बनता है। हम जो सुबह इन द मॉर्निंग वी टेक अ प्लेज, you all take pledge in the morning. What is the pledge? India is my, all Indians are my. One more line, I love my. Yes. So these words, these statements should be not just spoken but also followed somehow. Followed. That India is my country. भारत हमारा देश है। सारे भारतवासी हमारे भाई बहन हैं। हम तो यहाँ पे अपने क्लास के बच्चों को भी अपना नहीं मानते हैं। हम तो अपने हाउस के बच्चों को भी अपना नहीं मानते हैं। तो देश के लोगों को कैसा मानेंगे अपना? और इससे भी बड़ा विचार, हिंदी आप समझते हैं बच्चे? छोटे बच्चे हिंदी समझते हैं? इंग्लिश बोलूँ बस? ओके। Even the higher understanding of the world is given in our culture, Indian culture. What is that? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. What we say? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Not just one small India, one small country is my country. The whole planet the whole Prithvi, Bhumi, Prithvi, Vasuda, we say Vasuda, means planet Earth, Prithvi. Vasudha eva kutumbakam, that whole planet Earth is our family. Vasudha eva kutumbakam. So why not a Navodaya school? Navodaya eva kutumbakam. Vasudha eva kutumbakam, and then Navodaya Vidyalaya eva kutumbakam. Why not? Definitely, we should consider the whole school as our big family. I consider, not just me, all Navodayan teachers. And now I have gone to 7 states in last 1 year. I have gone to 7 states. My home state, Maharashtra, and then Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, and then from south to north, Andhra. I came now from Kerala, then Tamil Nadu. Via Tamil Nadu, I came to Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh, then Satyasai district, and then Kadapa. And now here, Ongul. Prakasham. So, why I am traveling? Because we have been given that understanding in Navodaya school that Navodaya is a big family all over the country, all over India. And all consider, I got the warm welcome. I got the home school feeling. In all the 67 Navodaya Vidyalayas. This is my 67th Navodaya Vidyalaya visit. So please pay attention, last boys. Please pay attention. Last boys, are you with me? See here. Last boys, have the sense. Principals are sitting here, all staff is here. I have come from long distance to see you, to share some important, not just physics, material knowledge, material chemical knowledge. I am here to share the best, highest life knowledge, the real self knowledge, which will give you lifetime satisfaction. Not 2 day satisfaction, your all-time satisfaction you can have by having the self-knowledge. Atma Gyan. क्या बोलते हैं? Self-knowledge. Atma Gyan. We say Atma Vishwas. English में क्या बोलते हैं? Self-confidence. Atma Sanyam. Self-control. आत्म संयम आवश्यकता है. अपने मन पे संयम, अपने विचारों पे संयम, अपनी इच्छाओं पे संयम आवश्यक. कंट्रोल आवश्यक है. सेंसेस, वी हैव सेंसेस, बॉडी सेंसेस. इंद्रिय संयम, सेंस कंट्रोल इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, नेसेसरी, essential. Last boys, yes boys, please. If you don't listen, then I don't feel inspired to speak. I am not obliged, I am not bound to speak. If you are not willing to listen, then why to speak? So please pay attention. It's for you. I am speaking for you people. So please have the sense that I am speaking to the you people. I am speaking to you people. So please pay attention. See, in classes also, teachers want to give you knowledge, teachers want to teach you, but if you don't show willingness to hear, then teachers feel not so motivated, not so inspired to speak, to teach. Believe me, I was teaching in engineering college. I was teaching for 8 years in Pune and Mumbai University for 8 years in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So I have seen that nowadays the companies, the employer companies, don't see only your marks, don't see only your academics, The companies see your behavior. The companies want to see, most important, your behavior, good behavior, your attitude, your good attitude, your good dealings, your good conduct. They want to see. Companies consider all the students above 60 marks. Above 60 marks. You may have 60 marks, 70 marks, 80 marks, 90 marks. They consider all the students above 60 marks as one level. As one level. And then they keep their own test, their own GD, group discussion, their own interviews to choose you, to select you. Okay, we'll begin with small prayer so that your mind will be pacified. You have the peaceful mind. Close your hands, join the hands with your chest. Last voice have the sense. Please pay attention. Follow me, what I am saying. Join your hands. Join the hands to your chest. Silence. Madam, please, you can keep with him. You can keep him with you, so that whole assembly is not disturbed by him. Yes, please, silence. 1 minute silence. Silence, last voice. Sit straight. सीधा बैठना है. अलर्ट, सावधान. Close the eyes. So we will sing a small prayer. I will sing first one line. You listen and then follow behind. Hindi prayer is a famous school prayer. You all know it. So you can pay your attention to listen the words. Be absorbed. Absorb your mind. It's the most important session we are having today. Have the seriousness. We speak about physics, chemistry, maths, but today we are speaking about life, most important topic of life. So please be serious. You will have the best experience. So we'll sing now. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम, हर बुराई से बच के रहे हम। जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, वैर होना किसी का किसी से, वैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना, भावना मन में बदले की होना। जितनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, जितनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ना सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण, फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, फूल खुशियों के बांटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा का जल तो बहा के, अपनी करुणा का जल तो बहा के, हृदय पावन हर एक मन का कोना, हृदय पावन हर एक मन का कोना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। भूल कर भी कोई भूल हो ना। So we are asking the Lord to give us the empowerment. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता। We are asking the Lord for giving us empowerment, power, empowerment. Why? So that we don't lose our good path. We don't deviate from our good path. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, and we don't commit mistakes, even by mistake. By nature, human beings commit mistakes. Yes, please pay attention, boys. Pay attention. Keep your mind here. Yes, please silence. Boys, silence. Girls are more attentive. Girls are more focused than the boys. Learn from them. You should learn from your sisters that they are so disciplined, they are so attentive. All schools I have seen, girls are more disciplined than the boys. Boys need to learn from girls, our sisters. Okay. So please pay attention that we are discussing about our life science. I'll give you good understanding of the life in short. You answer my question. Is time money? I am asking you a question, boys. Is time money? Sometimes we see the suvichar, quote, thought. What is the thought? Time is money. Time is money. But you tell me, is time money in real sense? No, yes, because you may have all the wealth, all the money, but you cannot buy time. You cannot buy time with your money. So time is your life. Time is not money. Time is your life. So, yes, please pay attention. If we waste our time, then we are wasting our life. So please be attentive that in no time, time will pass away, time will gone, and then you will lament. Oh, I could not achieve this, I could not get that. See, now when I left my Navodaya school in 1998, 26 years have passed. I left my school, Navodaya school, 26 years ago. Long time. 26 years. Long time. So, time goes very fast. So, we have to be alert, attentive to use our time cautiously, carefully. Because once time is gone, you cannot get it back with anything. You see someone in ICU, hospital, last voice, be here, listen here. So difficult nowadays, you want to sit peacefully, to hear, so difficult. Your physics, your chemistry, your mathematics not helping you to show your common sense. You are learning mathematics, you are learning physics, but somewhere you are losing your common sense. How to sit, how to listen. So easy, small, simple thing that someone is speaking to you, someone is coming from long distance for you, wanting to serve you the best knowledge, but we are so है ना, habituated not to pay attention, not to focus, not to hear. What can be done? It's a difficult time nowadays that people are having no sense how to listen. That's why I'm going that to give the understanding of life, importance of life. That don't focus on paper, don't focus on only money, don't focus on only physics, chemistry, mathematics. Focus more on your life, your behavior, your actions. That will give you value in society. Simply by showing your mark sheet, you won't get value in society, in life. People will give you value seeing your behavior, seeing your actions, seeing your dealing, conduct. Yes, attitude. That's why show me your good behavior as a Navodaya student. You are intelligent, you are scholar. That's why you have come to Navodaya school. So please show your common sense, show your behavior, that you want to learn something, you want to know something, you want to hear something new. Yes, do you want to listen? Should I speak here? Answer me. I am not bound to speak. I can keep quiet. I am happy in my life. I don't need anything in life. I am happy in my life. I have given up all my other engagements only for one purpose: to study life and to teach life as much as possible, whatever I have understood, whatever I have learned about life. So I am giving more focus on my life study, life science, because the most important science in the whole world is not computer science, is not technical science. The most important science in the world is life science. If life is not there, what is use of other faculties? No use. So focus on your most important life. So yes, please pay some attention. I will share you the simple understanding of life, which is the most amazing. Life can be considered as the beautiful journey. Life can be considered as the beautiful journey, which has begun at one point of time from some place, and which has to end some place, sometime in future. Isn't it? Any journey has to be completed, has to be completed. ऐसा नहीं है कोई यात्रा सफ़र चालू किया और ख़त्म ही नहीं हुआ, भटकते गए दुनिया भटकते रहे और कहीं एंड नहीं हुआ। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। जीवन का सफ़र एक दिन ख़त्म होना चाहिए। जीवन का सफ़र कहाँ से चालू हुआ और कहाँ ख़त्म होगा हमें पता होना चाहिए। ओके, सो लाइफ इज़ लाइक ए ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी. In journey we need a vehicle. In journey we need a vehicle. So we have been given human body. We have been given human body as a vehicle to have a journey. Our body, yes boys, please pay attention. Don't disturb. सीधा बैठो सब लोग, सीधा बैठो. सिट स्ट्रेट. सब लोग झुक गए हैं बूढ़े जैसे. सीधा बैठिए. सावधान. ये भी सीखना है हमको. हाउ टू सिट, हाउ टू लिसन, इम्पोर्टेंट. हाँ, एटलीस्ट पे अटेंशन. आपके कान जो है मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वहाँ पे दीजिए. You will get much benefit in your life. Okay, so life is a journey. Body is our vehicle. You see, if you don't use your vehicle for journey, simply polish it in your car parking place. You park the vehicle and simply polish it daily basis, clean it, shine it. Don't use it for journey. Is that beneficial? Simply polishing the vehicle, not using for journey, not beneficial. In the same way, this human body is not simply for feeding, is not simply for washing, cleaning, is not simply for making it shine. This human body is for journey. We should know what is that journey. In journey, the most important element is destination. What is that? Destination. Where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? Destination is important. So body is our vehicle. We have senses. We have senses. Like the vehicle has wheels. Vehicle runs on the wheels. So body functions on the senses. Yes, please. We have 10 senses. We have 10 senses. 5 are knowledge acquiring senses. 5 are knowledge acquiring senses. In Hindi we say ज्ञानेंद्रिया. क्या बोलते हैं? ज्ञानेंद्रिया, जिससे हम ज्ञान लेते हैं. कौन कौन सी इंद्रियां हैं? आँख, कान, नाक, जीभ, जिह्वा एंड त्वचा, स्किन, चमड़ी. 5 are ज्ञानेंद्रिया and 5 are कर्मेंद्रिया. Working senses, legs, hands, our speech are working senses. And mind is known as the king of the senses. See, we have desire to control the mind, to keep the mind peaceful, to have the sense control. How can be done? How can we do? By knowing some basic things. That mind is the king of the senses. Mind is known as king of the senses. When you say 5 senses, Gyanendriya, then mind becomes the 6th sense. Mind becomes 6th sense. People say, oh, my 6th sense is telling me something from within. What is that? Mind. So mind is the king of the senses, and mind is known as the brake. Senses are like the wheels. Senses are like wheels of the vehicle. Mind is our brake. We have to be knowing how to apply the brake of the mind on the senses. What to see, what not to see. What to speak, what not to speak. Where to go, where not to go. What to do, in short, what not to do. This can be done with the help of mind, applying the brake of mind on the senses. But you know that mind itself cannot apply the brake. Mind itself cannot check the senses, because mind is only a brake. In the vehicle, who applies the brake? Driver. In the vehicle, who applies the brake? Driver. In the same way, in our life system, intelligence is our driver. बुद्धि अपनी क्या है? चालक है, सारथी है, ड्राइवर, चालक. और हम कौन हैं? हम जो है इस जीवन की सफ़र में, जीवन की यात्रा में पैसेंजर. हम कौन है? सवारी है, हम यात्री है. और हमें पता होना चाहिए हमें कहाँ जाना है, हम कहाँ से निकले हैं और हमें कहाँ जाना है. तो आपके लिए बोलता हूँ, हम सभी जो है दुनिया में आए हैं. हम सभी दुनिया में आए हैं. ऐसा कोई है यहाँ पे नवोदय विद्यालय में, यहाँ पे प्रकाशन में, कि सर मैं पहले से हूँ, ऐसे ही कपड़ा पहन के मैं पहले से ऐसा ही हूँ और हमेशा के लिए हूँ? ऐसा कोई है यहाँ पे? हम सभी कुछ समय पहले जन्म लेकर दुनिया में आए हैं. तो हमें बच्चों ये समझना चाहिए कि हम जो दुनिया में आए हैं, हम कहाँ से आए हैं, क्यों, एक दिन जाना भी पड़ता है, एक दिन सबको यहाँ से आगे जाना पड़ता है। इसलिए हम कहाँ से आए हैं, वेयर फ्रॉम वी हैव कम, वी शुड नो, so that we can know where to go in the end. See, you all have come to school, Navodaya school. You know the place from which you have come here. You know the place. Do you know the place? आप लोग कहाँ से आए, आपको पता है? आपको पता है, आप लोग अपने गांव से आए हैं। You have come from your villages, towns, home, native place. When you get vacation, you are happy to go back. When you get vacation, you are happy to go back home to your native place. In the same way, बच्चों, उसी प्रकार हम दुनिया में जो आए हैं, भगवान के धाम से आए हैं। हम भगवान के धाम से आए हैं, थोड़े समय के लिए हैं। इसलिए हमें यदि पता होगा कि हम भगवान के धाम से आए हैं, तो अंत में जब जाने का समय आएगा तो हम कहाँ जाना चाहिए, भगवान के पास। लेकिन होता क्या है, भगवत गीता में बताया गया है, जिसका जन्म होता है उसकी मृत्यु होती है, और जिसका मृत्यु होता है उसका पुनः जन्म होता है। वो भटकता रहता है, नए नए जन्म, always taking birth, death. How many times? Lakhs of times. Yes, boys. So the soul, which is our real self. See, pay attention. Body is our, not the real self. Body changing all time. Body changing. You see your न्यूबॉर्न फोटो, न्यूबॉर्न बेबी फोटो आपका होगा, बचपन का फोटो होगा, जन्मदिन का फोटो होगा, फर्स्ट बर्थडे फोटो, दैट फोटो एंड टुडेज फोटो, यू कंपेयर। Body has changed in size, shape, form. But do you feel you have changed? You feel I am the same. You feel you are the same person who was born long back and now who is in the body. Mind also changes. Mind so restless, always changing thoughts, thinking, feeling, willing. Our intelligence also changes. बुद्धि, दिमाग कम ज़्यादा होता रहता है, कभी चलता है, कभी नहीं चलता है। But our real self, we don't change. The unchanging element in the body is the soul. We say, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, जीवात्मा। क्या बोलते हैं, जीवात्मा। इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे लिविंग बीइंग। If the soul is there, body will function. The moment soul leaves the body, body is dead, body is unconscious. So we should know that our real self is the divine spirit soul, the part of God. In Bhagavad Gita, in 15th chapter, 7th shloka verse, it is mentioned, Lord Krishna is saying that who are we, हम कौन हैं? I will chant this shloka, you listen and follow behind me. Yes, please. मम एव हंस जीव लोके, बोलिए मम एव, बोलो मम एव अंश जीव लोके जीवभूत सनातनः मनः षष्ठानि इंद्रियाणि प्रकृति स्थाने कर्षति. Now we'll sing one line. मम एव अंशो जीवलोके, मम एव अंशो जीवलोके जीवभूत सनातनः, जीवभूत सनातनः मनः षष्ठानि इंद्रियाणि मनश्चेष्टानि इंद्रियाणि प्रकृति स्थाने कर्षति प्रकृति स्थाने कर्षति. So Lord Krishna is saying that we all living beings, 84 lakh species of life. How many? 84 lakh species. We all living beings in the whole universe are the divine spiritual parts of the Supreme Lord. Mama eva amsha, amsha means part. Mama eva amsha, jiva loke, jiva bhuta, sanatanah. Now how are these parts? These parts are sanatanah, means eternal. We say immortal, immortal, eternal, birthless, deathless, ajanma, amar. So our identity is not the body, not the mind, not the intelligence, not the ego which changes. Our real self is the divine soul, which is the part of God. हम जो बोलते हैं ना, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा. बोलिए, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही, सबको बोलना है. तुम्ही हो बंधु, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा. सब गाइए, तुम्ही हो माता, तुम्ही हो साथी, तुम्ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे. गाइए, तुम्ही हो साथी, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्ही हो बंधु. देखिए, इसका मतलब क्या है कि भगवान अपने माता पिता है, आत्मा के. बॉडी के माता पिता अपने गांव में हैं, लेकिन हम तो बॉडी नहीं है. हम तो बॉडी के अंदर जो आत्मा है, हम वो दिव्य आत्मा है, जो अजन्मा है, अमर है, अविनाशी है. इसीलिए हमें अपना संबंध भगवान से समझना चाहिए, जोड़ना चाहिए. क्योंकि यदि जीवन का आत्म शांति चाहते हैं, आत्म समाधान चाहते हैं, तो आत्मा का संबंध भगवान से जोड़ना पड़ेगा. Yes boys, listen here. Middle boys, are you with me? See here. Listen. यदि आपको ऐसा बताया जाए, if you are announced that you will get diamonds, worth billions of dollars, you come here, take the diamonds. आप सुनोगे नहीं? You will listen. आप सुनोगे, भाई क्या मिलने वाला है? डायमंड मिलने वाला है. आप सुनोगे, अटेंटिव होंगे. तो नॉलेज वी आर स्पीकिंग, डिस्कसिंग इज मच मोर देन डायमंड्स. ये जो दिव्य ज्ञान है, जीवन का ज्ञान, आत्मा ज्ञान, ये दुनिया का संपत्ति से बहुत बड़ा अनमोल खजाना है. यहाँ हम आपको देना चाहते हैं, जिसे लेकर आपका जीवन जो है महान बनेगा, आपका जीवन जो है धनी होगा, संपूर्ण होगा. लेकिन ये बात है कि आपको बुद्धि नहीं समझने की कि भाई यहाँ पे हमको क्या दिया जा रहा है. आपका जो संबंध है भगवान के साथ, वो आपको बताया जा रहा है कि हम हड्डी मांस की बॉडी नहीं है जो एक दिन ख़त्म हो जाएगी, या जो बॉडी हमको तकलीफ देती है हमेशा. द बॉडी विच गिव्स अस पेन, ट्रबल, डिफिकल्टीज ऑल टाइम. बॉडी गिव्स अस डिफिकल्टी, पेन. बट इफ वी नो we are divine soul in the body, then you can connect yourself with God. हम उसे बोलते हैं योग. क्या बोलते हैं? योग. योग means to connect. योग means to connect. योग जोड़ना. Ultimately, our life purpose is to connect our real self, Atma, our life with God. भगवान से जोड़ना अपना संबंध इस जीवन का क्या है? लक्ष्य है. वो जो बोलते हैं ना, ओम असतो मा सद्गमय, ओम तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, ओम मृत्योर्मा अमृतम. ये जो बोलते हैं शांति, अभी शांति है? रखो, अभी शांति है ना. कीप द साइलेंस. तो जीवन का उद्देश्य क्या है? हमने तो बोल दिया, असतो मा सद्गमय. मतलब क्या है? टू ट्रैवल from this world to that world. This world is temporary and that world is permanent. God's kingdom, भगवान का धाम कैसा है? शाश्वत है. दुनिया कैसी है? विनाशी है, नाशवान है. दुनिया क्या है? नाशवान. भगवान का धाम क्या है? अविनाशी है, इमॉर्टल. असतो मा सद्गमय, सद्धाम. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय. तमस मतलब अज्ञानमय है. दुनिया क्या है? अज्ञानमय है, अंधेरा वाला है. This world is like a darkness. We are supposed to go from this world to that world, which is full of light, full of knowledge. And last thing, yes, boys, join your hands, join the hands. आपको सुनना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, आपके लिए थोड़ा एक्टिविटी करते हैं. आप join your hands, join the hands. We'll chant some mantras. कुछ भगवान के नाम का मंत्र बोलते हैं जिससे आपका मन थोड़ा शांत हो. हाथ जोड़िए, सीधा बैठिए, सीधा बैठिए. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. बोलिए. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य, जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य, प्रभु नित्यानंद, प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्तवृंद, श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। लास्ट टाइम, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। The chanting of the holy names of the God is the best way to make our mind calm, peaceful. You see, Lord Mahadev, Lord Shankar, Lord Shiva also takes the mala, japamala, and chants God's names. The goddess of learning, Mother Saraswati, Sharda, Devi Sharda, Saraswati Ma, also takes the mala and chants God's names. Lord Brahma also takes the jap mala in the hand and chants God's names. Hanumanji also takes the mala and chants God's names. So all the devatas, all the devotees of God chant God's holy names in all the religions, in all the holy books. It may be Bible, it may be Quran, it may be Bhagavad Gita, Vedas. The chanting of God's names has been recommended, has been advised to pacify our mind, to calm our mind, to control our senses is possible by chanting God's names. That's why name is the chanting is known as mantra meditation. Mantra meditation. Mantra means मनः त्रायते इति मंत्र, जिससे मन शांत होता है, जिससे मन की चिंताएं, निगेटिव थॉट्स निकल जाते हैं, मन शुद्ध होता है। जिससे मन शुद्ध होता है उसे कहते हैं मंत्र। मनः त्रायते इति मंत्र। And we chanted Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. 16 names of the Maha Mantra is the most easy way to connect our soul with God, to access God's powers, to access God's blessings, God's empowerment is possible by chanting God's names. You see, all the pujas, all the worships end with this mantra: Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. Have you heard this? Have you heard? All the puja, all the arati, all the worship end by God's names. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. One more time. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So I'm not speaking something new. I'm not speaking something unknown. I'm speaking which is common in the society, that people chant God's names to purify, to cleanse, purify our mind. भगवान का नाम लेने से अपना मन शुद्ध होता है, अपना मन शांत होता है. Okay, we have now only 2 minutes. I have spoken from my side. From my side, talk is over. If you have any question, any doubts, any comments, you can ask. कुछ सवाल पूछना है, कुछ जानना है आपको, कुछ कमेंट्स देना है, कुछ आपकी आशंका पूछनी है, बतानी है, तो बोल सकते हैं. Yes, please, silence. आज देखिए बहुत बच्चे में पूछते हैं, बोलते हैं सर पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता है, मन शांत नहीं होता है, एग्ज़ाम का टेंशन आती है, भय लगता है। तो उसके लिए जो हमने डिस्कस किया आज का जो सेशन था, ये उसके लिए था कि वास्तविक जीवन का ज्ञान होगा कि हम जो है बॉडी नहीं है, बॉडी का सुख अपना सुख नहीं है, अपना सुख आत्मा का सुख है। तो आत्मा का सुख किसके साथ है? आत्मा का सुख भगवान के साथ है। बहुत धन्यवाद। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। आई थैंक आवर डियर प्रिंसिपल सर, आई थैंक ऑल द टीचर्स फॉर गिविंग मी द opportunity to serve you. Thank you all. Be happy.
Whatever the Sir gave you the knowledge about the Atma, how to keep your soul peaceful before the examinations. If you always engage yourself with unwanted activities, it will definitely affect. If you go on connecting yourself with God continuously, you will receive energy and you can study more and more. So you have to charge your soul by connecting with the God, so that you can get more and more energy. So whatever the name you call by different names of God. Whatever name you like, you can call that God by that name, so that you will be charging yourself, you will be charging your Atma nicely, and you can be very strong and peaceful before the examinations. So let us thank Jagadish ji for coming all the way from the offering is shown.